Hi, I'm Rizal with Contractors Liability. Are you a fencing contractor looking for the best way to protect your business? Whether you're installing residential fences or working on larger commercial projects, fencing insurance is your safety net against unexpected risks. In this video, we'll break down why you need it, what it covers, and how to get started. Fencing contractors face unique challenges that require specialized coverage, such as material damage. Outdoor work exposes your materials to risks like bad weather or job site accidents. Property damage. Accidental damage to nearby properties like a garden or driveway can lead to costly repairs. Injury risks. Fencing work involves heavy tools and manual labor, which can result in on-the-job injuries. Without proper insurance, these risks can create financial and legal burdens that disrupt your business. Our fencing insurance policies include general liability, which protects you from claims of property damage and bodily injury caused by your work to third parties. Workers' compensation, which covers medical bills and lost wages if an employee gets injured on the job. Commercial auto insurance, which ensures vehicles used in your business are protected against accidents. And tailored policies. Customize your coverage to include specific risks like utility or advertising claims. These policies are designed to give you peace of mind and keep your business running smoothly. Fencing installation often happens in unpredictable environments. Common risks include tool-related injuries. Power tools like augers or nail guns can cause serious accidents. Utility mishaps. Digging too close to underground pipes or cables can result in expensive damages. Weather disruptions. Sudden weather changes can damage materials or delay job completion. Comprehensive insurance protects your business from these financial pitfalls. Get the peace of mind you need with fencing contractors insurance tailored to your unique needs. Visit contractorsliability.com or give us a call right now. Let's get you covered so you can build confidently and grow your business with ease. We offer coverage from A-rated insurance companies throughout the United States, so you know it's coverage you can trust.